Hi, welcome to my origami tutorial on how to fold an origami crane. So the crane is a very fun thing to make out of origami. I highly recommend it. There are some other really good videos on out. But before you look, I want you, after this video, I want you to slap that subscribe button like it's a fly. So it is dead sick. I want you to smash that subscribe button, hit that bell for any new videos coming out. This is my first video, so new videos will be coming out very, very soon. Okay, so let's get started. So we're going to start by folding our paper from corner to corner and making a fold there. Crease. Then unfold the paper. Now we're going to fold this tip to this tip. Now, unfolding that paper, flipping the paper over like that. Now we're going to want to fold it in half like this. Now, unfolding that like this and then folding it like this one more time. Okay, now unfold the paper. No, don't. Unfold the paper, flip it over, pop this like this, and then, so then you flip it over and it has like these little corners that are popped out. You're gonna take those corners and just fold. So you're gonna pinch the one side of the corner like that, then folding it into the middle. So then you can see you have a small flap in the middle here. Just ignore that, and then you can fold it. Now you have it standing up like a box, kind of. As you can see, I have that. You're gonna squash this fold down like this as well. And then making a fold and this inside fold there. Then squashing the paper into a smaller square. So what we just made there is made a smaller square with little flaps inside like that. So now we're gonna start making something called, so this is called a water bomb base. So we're gonna start making a triangle water bomb base. That's gonna be really cool. So what we're gonna wanna do is we're gonna start by folding these edges into the middle like this. Make a crease. And folding this edge into the middle as well. Make a crease. Now we're going to take this tip at the top of the paper and fold it down to here like this. Just aligning these folds and making a crease like this. Make the crease really strong. Now unfold the crease and unfold those. Now you always want the opening to be at the bottom. Then you're gonna take this line, you just fold it down with everything else, and you're gonna take it and you're gonna fold it back, collapsing the paper. Now with this, so we just pop that up there. We're gonna want to take the existing creases and flattening only on those creases like this. Folding our edges like that. Okay, now what we're gonna want to do is we're gonna take these two edges here and folding them into the middle like this. Like that. Now we're gonna fold the other edge into the middle like this. Okay. Now what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to flip the paper over like that. And then repeat the same steps. So if you forget, I'm going to teach you. We're going to fold these edges into the middle like this. Making a crease, turn it over, folding a crease like this. Then unfolding, folding to the top. So take this edge and folding it to the top, like so. Then making a crease, folding it down, making a crease, and folding it down, and making a crease. Folding our edges into the middle, like so. Making a crease. Then we're going to want to take one side and just fold it over like that. Flipping the paper over like that. Then folding this side over too. Now you should have a line, or if not, it's fine. But you're going to take this tip and just fold it to the top like that. Flipping over, making the same crease. Like that. Now you should have this diamond shape. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to fold one side over like we did last time. A couple steps ago. Flipping the paper over and repeating that step. Now take your wing here and fold it down like this. Flipping the paper over and matching up that wing. Making a crease. Now you're going to take these two horns, like looks like a head, you're going to pull them out. Okay, take one side and you're just going to want to pop. Oh, I'll show you how to do this if you didn't cut it. So we should have this line with the feet there, and you're just going to pull them out like that. Sorry, I didn't explain that very well. Then we're going to want to fold this side down like this, like the head, and then pull the tail out a little further. And then flip it over, and make kind of like a crease there. Like so. And then fold them down. And that, my friends, is how you fold an origami crane. Thanks for watching.